Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to use Affinity. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the application like so. Then you want to go and click on watch tutorial, and they will show you exactly a small tutorial for each. So simply I'm gonna hit the importing. I will see how can I actually import a video. So here's the good thing. They provide you with tutorials. See the tutorial and know exactly how to use it. Now simply I will go and create a new project. So here, as you can see, it shows me exactly how to import. You just have to click on this download button if you want to download the application, the software, the video, I mean, or you can simply watch it like so. And here you have it picture in picture down below right here. You can even increase the size of the video. And here I have how to import the video. It tells me exactly how to do so. So here I will go to the top right here in the simple click on file, then go and click on new or open. So here I will open a small picture of mine. Let's say this picture, for example. This is a picture of my brother. And now here on the left side, you have all the tools that you can actually use. And here you can click on export PNG in order to export it as a PNG. You can even click on save and name it. Now, let's say that you want to do some modifications to this photo. Here you have the studios section. When you click on these three vertical dots, you have here the studios section. You can simply toggle all these studios on, or you can create your own. Now, here, as you can see, I have this move tool. I'm using it right now. You can even use another tool like the pencil tool or the brush tool, for example, or the clone brush tool. You can add a pencil, just like so. You can add some borders. And the good thing is that it is by Canva and it is totally free. So you do not have actually to pay for it. And I think this is going to be the end of Adobe Photoshop. And here on the right side, you can do the zoom in like so. You can do the zoom out, or you can even use the Control plus and Control plus minus. And here you have the eyedropper tool in order to select the same color right here. Here you have also some other familiar tools like the eraser tool, for example. You have here many options. You can customize it if you need to do so. Here you have many options, and actually this application or this software is perfect. And please subscribe in order to get all the new features about this application in the upcoming video, or this software in the upcoming video. I'm gonna make many tutorial videos about this program or software. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.